Hey, boys in the back. I watch your show. I really love your show. First of all, shout out to your whole uncrowned team, including Rick and GC and Frank.
Appreciate
and,
that, man.
Of course,
Thank
the Aриэль Хельванидың and to the whole team. And second, I freaking love your show, guys. I really do. And then
Me too.
I live in Naperville, Illinois, but I'm
Shout out
originally
Naperville.
from Kazakhstan.
Oh,
and
shit.
Shout out to the whole team, especially to Rick and GC about that you guys went to the Kazakh restaurant
Yes,
before
sir.
UFC 310 in
Shout out to Farida
Manhattan,
downtown.
New York, to Farida restaurant.
Yes,
Kazakh
sir. There
restaurant.
it is. Let's
And
go.
shout out to the GC that he's still keeping he still has a Kazakh national hat in his back.
Yes, sir.
During the show. So I know, GC, you are the big fan of Shavkat Rakhmonov, and I know that Rick is expecting the Shavkat Rakhmonov being the champion at the end of 2025. So big shout out to you guys. But the only one thing you guys did a mistake on Wednesday's show, that you guys said the last face-off between the fighters during the UFC event was between Sean O'Malley and Merab Dvalishvili. No,
in the
last
cage.
time the face-off between the fighters was at UFC
Shavkat and
310 between Shavkat Rakhmonov and Bilal. Come on, guys. Put some respect on Shavkat. Have a wonderful day, guys. Love it.
Gotta love
Take
My
care.
man. What a call,
from
dude.
Kazakhstan via Naperville.
Oh, I
Illinois.
love
Shout
it,
out.
man. That was a true Kazakh. Some of the nicest people we've ever met down at
Farida's
Farida.
was incredible.
Some of the best food
Yeah.
we've had too. Shout out. I need a Shavkat fight book so I can go back to Farida.
Yep.